Hi everyone, welcome to the tour of another Showflat done by Future Deco. This is a 288 soft 1 BHK flat from Dosti Nest at Balcom. The complete interiors were done by us in a very high-end PU finish with our space optimizing solutions for maximum space utility. In the dining area, we have a foldable dining table that can be opened when you want to use it and closed when you need more space. In the bedroom, we have designed a home office during the day and a bedroom during the night. So when you work from home, your productivity increases, and also during the night you get a good night's sleep on your favorite mattress. In the living room is the sofa cum bed option that can be used as a sofa, day bed, and a full-fledged bed.